Did you know it's Pup Day?
It's what day?
It's Pup Day. So these people are walking around.
Excuse you. Puppies. Those puppies.
Yeah, these puppies are walking around. I'm going to mute it. There's over 5,000 of them. 5,000 mentally ill, parental estranged, figments of Disney imagination come to life. They've watched way too many
Lady and the Tramp
films. It's so weird. Like, this should not be allowed. This should be, I wouldn't say banned because of free speech. I get that, but it's almost obscene.